This is a wind deflector installation guide for Mercedes-Benz E-Class from 2010 to 2017. We've designed a wind deflector that goes in and out of your Mercedes convertible in under 30 seconds. Your Mercedes was designed for a wind deflector to be installed into the rear seat area. Start by lowering the top of your convertible. Next, moving your rear seats forward, slide the rear brackets into the slots where the rear seat belts come out, slide the bolts into the holes on each side of the trim panel, and you're done. It's that simple. Removal is easy. Start by lowering the top panel, turn the handle towards the front of the car, slide it out, and then slide the wind deflector out of the convertible. Your wind deflector locks into place, slide the bolt forward, turn the handle down. Reverse the process, and your wind deflector can come out. Again, down is locked, forward, slide back, or slide in. The rear brackets sit on top of the rear seatbelts, so they slide into the rear seatbelt slot and stay in place. Another option is to install the wind deflector from the side of the car. So you start by sliding the rear brackets into the rear seatbelt slots, install one front bolt, and then slide the other front bolt into the hole, turn the handle down, lock it into place, and you're done. Again, in and out in 30 seconds. Removal is just as easy. Start by lowering the top, undo one of the front bolts, do the other front bolt, and slide the wind deflector out. Your wind deflector does come with a storage bag and will store in the rear seat of your trunk. So again, slide it in, and then right at the back part of the trunk, your wind deflector will stay in place. So again, it comes with a storage bag and does store in the rear trunk. The one thing you do have to do is you do have to rotate one of the rear brackets so it faces kind of in towards the front barrel bolt to fit it, make it fit inside the trunk. And that's it. So we are so sure that you will be happy with a wind deflector for your Mercedes convertible that we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. We offer free shipping both directions, so we even pay for return shipping, and we offer a 1-year warranty. Please contact us if you have any questions. Have yourself a great time.